Here we will calculate 55 into 99. Here logic is 99 plus 1 means 100. So minus 1 we can subtract 55 minus 1 54. So we will subtract 99 minus 54. So we will get answer 5 4. So answer is 5445, and here 66 into 999 also 66 minus 1 because 1000 means plus 1, 6 minus 1 5, so 65. 19,999 minus here 65, 9 minus 4 equal to 4, 9 minus 6 equal to 3, 9. So answer is 65,934. This is logic. So this answer is correct, or we will check. 55 into 99, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45 plus 4 49, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45 plus 4. So answer is 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 14 14, 4 plus 1. So answer is correct. So you can find out this problem answer.